Welcome to the video session on miscellaneous problems on sequences, which belongs to the paper Real Analysis 2 and Algebra 3 for 5th semester BSc course. Presented by Pavitra GB. Before we proceed, these are the basic concepts that we need to know: definition and properties of limit of a sequence, convergent and divergent sequence, monotonic sequence, Cauchy's sequence and Cauchy's criteria of convergence. Here are some problems which are going to discuss further. First one, discuss the convergence of the sequence whose nth term is given by 1 plus 3 plus 5 up to 2n minus 1 divided by 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. Show that the sequence minus 1 power n is not a Cauchy sequence. Show that the sequence an is increasing, bounded and hence convergent, where an is given by 1 divided by n plus 1 plus 1 divided by n plus 2 plus up to 1 by 2n. Let us take the first problem, 1 plus 3 plus 5 up to 2n minus 1 divided by 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n. The nth term of the sequence an can be written in the form 2n minus 1 divided by n. An plus 1, the next term of the sequence an, can be obtained by replacing n by n plus 1. After simplifying, we get 2n minus 1 divided by n. Take the difference of an plus 1 and an. After substituting for an plus 1 and an, by taking LCM and simplifying, we get 1 divided by n into n plus 1, which is always greater than 0, means positive. So it shows that an plus 1 is always greater than an for all n. This is the condition of increasing sequence. Therefore, an is monotonically increasing. Also, from the given sequence an, we can observe that an is greater than 1 and less than 2 minus 1 by n. That means it is bounded between two values 1 and 2 minus 1 by n. Hence, an is bounded. Limit of the given sequence an as n tends to infinity can be calculated as: substitute for an as 2n minus 1 divided by n. Take n as common in the numerator, then it cancels with the denominator n. The remaining term is 2 minus 1 by n. After giving the limit n tends to infinity, we get 2 minus 1 by infinity. It's equal to 2 minus 0, which is 2. Therefore, the sequence an converges to the limiting point 2. Next problem is: show that the sequence minus 1 to the power n is not a Cauchy sequence. Nth term of the sequence is minus 1 to the power n. Let us choose the term p as 2m plus 1 and q equals to 2m. Always choose q lesser than p so that p and m are greater than m. Now take the absolute difference of AP and AQ equals to modulus of AP as taken as minus 1 to the power 2m plus 1 minus AQ can substituted as minus 1 to the power 2m. It's equal to modulus of minus 1 to the power even numbers can be written in the form 1. Minus 1 to the power odd number can be written in the form minus 1. So the absolute value of minus 1, it is minus 2. Absolute value of minus 2 is plus 2. If we choose epsilon equals to 1 by 2, we cannot find a positive integer m such that the absolute value of AP minus AQ is less than epsilon for all p comma q greater than m. The difference, absolute difference of AP and AQ, we are getting 2, but if we choose epsilon is equal to 1 by 2, we cannot find such m. such that modulus of AP minus AQ less than epsilon. So this is not a Cauchy sequence. Third problem is, show that the sequence AN is increasing, bounded and hence convergent, where AN is given by 1 divided by n plus 1 plus 1 divided by n plus 2 up to 1 divided by 2n. AN plus 1 can be obtained by replace n by n plus 1, that is 1 divided by n plus 2 plus 1 divided by n plus 3, 1 divided by 2n, 1 divided by 2n plus 1, 1 divided by 2n plus 2. Take the difference an plus 1 minus an, we get 1 divided by 2n plus 2 plus 1 divided by 2n plus 1 minus 1 divided by n plus 1. So these terms are always greater than 1 divided by 2n plus 2 plus 1 divided by 2n plus 2 minus 1 divided by n plus 1. Because 2n plus 1 is less than 2n plus 2, so its reciprocal, the inequality changes, which can be simplified as 2 divided by 2n plus 2 minus 1 divided by n plus 1, which are the same terms of opposite signs, it's equal to 0. This implies an plus 1 minus an is greater than or equal to 0. That means we can take greater than 0 for all n, which is the condition of increasing sequence. Therefore, an is monotonically increasing. Also, an is the sequence 1 by n plus 1 plus 1 by n plus 2 plus up to 1 divided by 2n can be written in the form n plus n. Each term is lesser by 1 divided by n plus 1 plus 1 divided by n plus 1 up to 1 divided by n plus 1. For the same reason, n plus 1 is less than n plus 2. So its reciprocal, the inequality get changes. N divided by n plus 1 means it's always less than 1. Numerator is lesser by denominator for all n. That means the sequence an is less than 1 means it is bounded above. The sequence an is bounded above. Since the given sequence an is monotonically increasing and bounded above, it's convergent sequence. Thank you.